In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to email a task into a specific project in Asana. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. The first step is to open the specific Asana project where you want your emailed tasks to appear. So go ahead and navigate to Asana and select the project you have in mind. Now, once you're in the project, look for a small caret icon, which is usually located directly next to the project title. This icon might not be very prominent, but don't overlook it. Click on that caret icon. When you click, a drop-down menu will pop up right in front of you. From this menu, you will want to select the Import option. This will take you to the next step in our process. After selecting the Import option, you should see another list of choices. Here, choose the Email option. This is where the magic happens, as it will reveal the unique email address that is assigned specifically to your project. It's generally a long string of letters and numbers, but don't worry, you're going to use it soon. Now, take a moment to copy that project-specific email address provided by Asana. This email address is critical, as it will be how you send tasks directly into your chosen project in the future. Just highlight it, right-click, and select Copy. Once you have that email address copied, the next step is to create a new email in your preferred email application. In the recipient field of this new email, paste the copied project address. You can do this by right-clicking in the field and selecting Paste or using the keyboard shortcut for pasting. Now let's move on to writing the task name. In the subject line of your email, type the name of the task you want to create. This is like putting a title on a book. It will help you and your team know exactly what this task is about. After that, it's time to type out the task details. In the body of the email, jot down any relevant information that you want to include to create a description for this task. Think of it as explaining the task to someone who has no prior knowledge. It should be clear and concise. If your task requires any related files, this is the part where you want to attach them to your email. Click on the attachment icon in your email and select those files to include. This ensures that all the necessary information and resources are bundled together with your task. Finally, once everything is set up the way you want it, go ahead and hit that Send button. Congratulations, you've just sent an email that will automatically generate a task within your chosen Asana project. Once you've sent the email, it's a good idea to check your result now. Open your Asana project again and see if the task appears as you intended. This simple process makes managing tasks so much easier, doesn't it? Thank you for joining me today to learn how to email a task into a specific project in Asana. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you found it helpful. And as always, happy task making.